Experian's dark web scan checks known leaked data sources and alerts you if your personal information shows up in exposed databases tied to data breaches. By the end, you'll know what the scan actually looks for, how accurate it is, and whether it's worth paying attention to compared to free breach alerts. Start with what it actually does. The dark web scan doesn't search the entire dark web in real time. Instead, it checks large databases of known leaked information collected from past breaches. Now, explain what it can detect. It can flag things like email addresses, passwords, social security numbers, and other personal details if they appear in exposed datasets. If your information shows up, Experian sends an alert so you can take action. Now, explain the key limitation. The scan only works with data that has already been discovered and added to breach databases. That means it cannot prevent new leaks or instantly detect every exposure. Now, explain the timing issue. There is usually a delay between when a breach happens and when the data is added to monitoring systems. So alerts are reactive, not real-time protection. Now explain what users misunderstand. Many people think a dark web scan prevents identity theft. It does not prevent anything. It only notifies you after your information has already appeared in a known breach. Now explain what happens when you get an alert. If Experian finds your information, it will usually recommend steps like changing passwords, freezing accounts, or monitoring your credit file. The goal is damage control, not prevention. Now compare it to alternatives. Free breach notification services often do similar monitoring by scanning public breach databases. The main difference is that Experian bundles it into its credit monitoring system. Now explain when it is worth it. It is most useful if you already use Experian's credit tools and want everything in one place. If you are only interested in breach alerts, standalone free services can cover similar basics. Now explain when it is not worth it. It is not useful if you expect real-time protection or full dark web coverage. No service can fully monitor the entire dark web in real time. Now, summarize the key points. Experian's dark web scan checks known breach databases, not the entire dark web. It only alerts you after your data appears in a leak. And it is most useful as a convenience feature inside Experian's ecosystem. One practical next step, buy. Check your email in a free breach notification tool first, because you may already get similar alerts without needing a paid Experian feature. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit and identity protection tools.